Hello YouTube! In this tutorial, we're going to be looking in how we can create a Zoom link on our mobile device in 2023. So to create a Zoom meeting link, you need to have your Zoom app downloaded on your phone. We can do it on browser also, but we would be going through how we can do it on our phone. So we would use the Zoom app. So for that purpose, you're going to go to Play Store. You're going to search in there Zoom, and we will have this Zoom app here. Once you have downloaded it, you would click on open, and it's going to open your app. You will be greeted with this screen once you open your app. Now here you can see you have plenty of options. You can join a meeting, you can schedule some, you can share your screen, or you can go to a new instant meeting. We're going to schedule our new meeting. Okay, so now we would want to put our new meeting's name here. Let's say it's a test meeting link. You can choose the date, and you can choose it from when to when you want this meeting to happen. Now, like you can see, it's a 30 minutes meeting. The time zone is my region, and if you have everything set up, you can click on the top right corner, done. It's asking me that I haven't added any attendees, and that's okay. I just want to save it. Now you can see our meeting has been created. We're going to click on invite, and it's going to give me plenty of options here. We're going to choose the bottom one, copy to clipboard, and it copies the meeting link to my clipboard. Now whoever you're going to give the meeting link, you're going to give them the passcode as well so that they can enter the meeting. We're going to click on start, and there you go, your meeting is started. I'm going to click on cancel, and now whoever you have given the meeting link is going to join the meeting when they want. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.